Guest Lal Rosanga, other distinguished guest YMA Pupui here, respected teachers and dear children. Congratulations of 77th Republic Day to all of you. January 26 is not just a date but the supreme symbol of the Indian Constitution, the spirit of freedom and national honor. On this historic day in 1950, India adopted its constitution and became a sovereign democratic republic. Why that time leaders chosen 26 January to adopt our constitution? Because on this date in 1930, the dream of complete freedom, that is Purn Swaraj, was envisioned. The Indian Constitution is not just a legal document, it is the soul of our nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the architect of Indian Constitution, guarantees of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity to every citizen of India in his Constitution. Today we also remember and salute our great leaders and freedom fighters who dreamed of an independent nation governed by such a great constitution. Republic Day reminds us the freedom comes with the responsibility. As a citizen of India, it is our duty to respect our constitution, uphold democratic values and contribute to the society. The patriotism is not only about celebrating national days, but about showing honesty in our work, respect for others, and dedication to the nation. Dear children, you are the future of this great country, and the progress of India depends on your character, discipline, and commitment. On this Republic Day, take a pledge to work hard, remain united, and serve our nation with honesty, sincerity, and pride. On this proud occasion, let us reaffirm our faith in our nation and promise to contribute to a stronger, cleaner, and more inclusive India. Now, I would like to recite a Hindi poem on Constitution. संविधान, पहचान और गर्व। यह सिर्फ तारीख नहीं है, यह संविधान की पहचान है। भारत के हर नागरिक का यह सर्वोच्च सम्मान है। अंबेडकर के शब्दों में समता का ज्ञान है, तिरंगे के साथ देश की ऊंची यह आन है। ना किसी धर्म से, ना किसी जातियों में बटा है। यह वो ग्रंथ है जो सब में इंसानियत बांटता है। गरीब, वंचित, वंचितों की बुलंद यह आवाज है। लोकतंत्र का यह सबसे प्यारा साज है। बलिदानों से रची यह पवित्र किताब है। हर समस्या का यह सच्चा जवाब है। नियमों का ढांचा यह हमारा संविधान है। सिर्फ तारीख नहीं, यह हमारे संविधान की पहचान है। संविधान दिवस के पावन अवसर पर आइए शपथ लें, इसके मूल्यों के अनुसार हर एक कदम हम लें। यह सिर्फ कानून नहीं, हमारी साझा पहचान है। यह भारत देश का गौरवशाली विधान है। And in the last, I would like to deliver a great thought of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. तुम्हारे पैरों में जूते भले ना हो, लेकिन तुम्हारे हाथों में किताब होनी चाहिए। This is a very great thought, children, which give us the importance of education. Education is more important in our life than whatever we have. He believed that education is a very important part of our life, even than the religion. Now I would like to thank the teachers and students who have worked tirelessly to make today's celebration meaningful and memorable. And I also would like to thank our chief guest and other distinguished guests of YMA Pukpui for giving us time out of their busy schedule. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.